Hey Diva dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with a new YouTube video. So you guys love when I bring new brands to my channel and you definitely love my fashion hauls. So today I have a new haul where I partnered with Hot Miami Styles, and if you want to see what glittery glam I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, so let's just jump right in. I am rocking this white blouse as well as this bodycon skirt. Now, I love this white blouse because it's a twist with something classic, meaning there's a lot of cute details like the peep keyhole detail in the back. And then you have the tie front, and check out the sleeves. I really do adore this top because of it's a white collar shirt, but it's really cute with the sleeves. So really lightweight top, really cute. I paired it with this skirt, which I love anything bodycon, and I love items that you can wear in multiple ways. And this skirt you can wear buttoned up or open like you see here. Okay, now again, I love really fashion type of tops. I like this top because it's twist tie in the front, and then it has again those bell sleeves, so the top has character. Now, as you can see, this set also comes with pants, and these pants are tight, y'all. Like, if you're gonna wear this outfit, you gotta know you're gonna be showing body, serving body, but the material feels good and I really love it. So this set, as well as the stretch skirt, as well as that white top so far have been true to size. So it fits pretty good and you shouldn't size down. Okay, next up is this top. It reminds me of like a Jezebel top. I don't know why, but as you can see, again, I'm really in love with the details. I love the sleeves, how they're bell. I love how there's fringe along your wrists, and I love the color. The color is a real nice punch. I think it would spark up any look, whether it's with loud pants or just with jeans or a pencil skirt. I think it's pretty flattering because of how it does rouge in the middle, and it doesn't show off too much, just your shoulders, unless you wanted to pull down the front part a little bit. You kind of have some options there, but the shirt itself feels amazing on. The material looks really luxe and I would recommend it. Okay, so with this dress, it definitely didn't fit that well. I couldn't really zip it up in the back, although I got it on, and I absolutely love this dress. I think it's so beautiful. I think the hunter green is gorgeous. I love that it has that reversible sequence thing going on, as you can see here. So depending on how you rub your hand across your dress, you can either wear it mostly silver or you can wear it mostly hunter green. Again, I couldn't really zip it up. This is a size large. They did not have a bigger size, so I am in between sizes, but I'll put all of the details down below. This one I would recommend to size up in, or you may just have to pass it. This is going to have to be my new gold dress, honey, because I love it and I'm going to get into it. Now this dress you guys have already seen. It's the dress that I had on in my hair color video, so I'll be sure to put that link somewhere in this video. But y'all, this dress is so forgiving. I got this in a medium because I have a black one and it kind of stretches a lot. It kind of runs big. So if you want that form-fitted bodycon look, I would recommend definitely to size down. Again, this size is a medium, and this color, like, I just love. I think it complements any skin tone. Now, as you can see, I have on this black duster. This black duster is so cute to me. Like, I love the fact that it goes all the way down to your ankles. Also, this is nice and thick. You can wear it on a night out in town. If it's a little cooler out, you don't have to get a coat per se. You can wear this jacket. But I love the luxe feel of it. Like, it's all velvet. It's long. It's thick. It has that lapel kind of filling in the front, and it's also collared. Now, there's not any belt loops, so you can definitely choose to wear it with the belt or without the belt. And as you can see here, I was just trying it on as just a dress, and it looks really cute. Now, they only had a medium. This is a medium. I think I would recommend getting this true to size, so I would have got a large, but I just had to have it, so I just made it work. Now, ooh, look at her. Let me tell y'all how I love this dress. Look at these details. Y'all know I am extra. I am all about the glam and the bling, and this dress had just that. It's also bandage, so it does pull you in. You do not have to wear a shaper with this dress because it's really hard kind of to get into. It zips in the back, but again, this is a large and I was able to get into it. It holds me in. The only thing I can say is that it kind of squeezed on my chest a little bit, but you know, I can get past it because I love the fit so much. It is amazing and totally worth the price. Yes, so hot money style, so far so good. I can't complain. I think their packaging is cute. I think their shipment came fast. I think their clothes are pretty good quality. I would strongly recommend it. Now, I'm still getting used to the sizes, so I will put the details down below as far as the sizes that I got everything in, and also a direct link to everything that I picked up. Be sure if you had any experience with this company, leave a comment down below, help a sister out. But that's really it, dolls. I love making these videos for you. Please let me know what feedback you have for today, as well as any other videos you want me to make for this channel. If you don't already subscribe, girl, what you doing, girlfriend? What are you doing? Be sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also, please share this video if you like what you saw, and be sure that you give me the thumbs up, okay? So that's really it, dolls. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. When you do that, you'll see some behind the scene looks or some cute pictures. But y'all, that's really it. I want to say thank you again so much for your support. I love you, dolls, and that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, stay fabulous and stay